Hello everyone, this is Tina, guest market analyst from FPG. Today is Monday, the 4th November. As usual, I'm going to talk about the key instruments market trend in the week ahead. And this week will be a big week as there will be the US presidential election and the Federal Reserve's rate decision. What's gonna be the potential reaction to those big events? Let's discuss about it in the following video. The first one is gold. Last week, gold has retreated from an all-time high level, and this retreating trend might continue in the short term. From the technical perspective, the stochastic has entered overbought territory and going down. The potential support could be the 50-day moving average. If the breakdown below here, the next pivotal support could be around this previous resistance 2470 to 2480. So gold have been surging due to the uncertainties amid the US election. However, once the result comes out, we might see gold could continue its downtrends because the needs for hedging the election risks will be diminishing and cause gold to further retreat. Next one, I'm going to talk about the Dow Jones Index. The US stock markets have been in the long-term bullish trend, and I would say the bull market might continue after the election. So in the last 2 weeks, we can see Dow Jones have retreated from its all-time high level due to the uncertainties around the political event. At the same time, some disappointing US company earnings have been weighing on sentiment as well. Right now, the support is around this 50-day moving average. And ahead of the election, we might see the downward pressure could continue as there are still needs for hedging the uncertainties. So the potential support could be on this uptrend line. And after the election, once the result is out, we might see the US stock markets to rebound as the outcome will provide certainties. And actually, a similar trend has happened in the last US election in 2016. As the next one, I'm going to talk about is euro against the US dollar. Euro has rebounded from the key support area. However, in the medium term, we could see euro is still under pressure against the dollar, especially amid US election and Fed decision this week. A Trump win could spark concern of higher inflation and cause the Fed to slow down its rate cuts or even raise interest rate. However, even though a Harris win, we could still see this upside pressure on inflation. Most likely, the Fed will continue its gradual rate cut pace. And from the economic background, the US economy is still in its soft landing. At the same time, the Eurozone might remain in its stagnation. Once it breaks down below this level, it might go further down and test the next potential support at the previous low, around 1.05. And the last one is crude oil. Crude oil has been moving under the pressure of the downtrend line. It's also retreated from the 50-day moving average, and the US election may not have a direct impact on the oil price. However, a Trump win could pressure the oil price more than a Harris win, as Trump is anti-climate change and renewable energy, which could cause a surge in the US oil production, hence pressure on the oil price. From here, we can see the potential head and shoulder top. If it retreats from here, it could again test the key support around 685. It will likely rebound from this support. However, if it breaks down below this level, it could go further lower. Once it's a rebound, we'll still use this trend line as its potential resistance level and continue its downtrend. And that's all from today. Wish you a successful week. See you on Thursday.